Intro/welcome. Take one. What up, studs and buds? It's your boy Clayton Hensel, coming to you from the Uncommon Beastro, where we're making you a beast in the home by getting you to become a beast in the kitchen. We're with our good friend Ryan Garrity, also known as Rye, also known as Rye Bread, also known as a Little Moldy. And what we're here to do is to help you guys take control of the house, have a great time making memories, and leaving a legacy with your family. Today, we're going to be making the
Philly Cheesesteak Paninis.
Philly Cheesesteak Panini. I'll be honest, that sounds a little feminine, so I need you to make it masculine for me.
Well, that was the Philly cheesesteak part of it.
Okay?
Panini is just the way you make it.
It's just a small man's grill.
It's like a smushed grilled cheese with some more meat and toppings.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
Is it delicious?
Of course.
The kids love it.
Yeah.
Well, then let's take a look at what we need. Hey everybody, now that you got the ingredients, let's make this thing.
So you're pretty familiar with the panini press.
Oh yeah.
I think you get down with the panini press at home.
I love myself a good panini.
So we're just gonna.
Did you already put some olive oil on the?
No, I figured I'd hit it real quick for you, but.
Let me show you how you do that.
Oh, okay.
Just put a little bit. Yeah, right there. Just rub it around quickly. So. Put a little bread.
Put a little cheese on there first. You want to.
I like to put the cheese on top.
So for paninis, I like to go cheese first.
Okay,
because
fair enough.
It hits the heat the fastest, and it has a better chance of melting.
So put a little bit of cheese in there. All right, here we go. We got a little bit of that. Then we're gonna put some onions on there. A little bit more. I like a lot of good onions on mine. Then we're gonna put ourselves some bell peppers. Boom, 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 boom.
So I think I put in the recipe optional mushrooms.
Ooh!
I said optional because I know you weren't a fan, so that's why I didn't bring them today.
I'm not a big mushroom guy, but I don't mind it from time to time on a Philly cheesesteak, but when you're doing it this way, I'm telling you, keeping it easy. And then a little tray, put it towards the back, tilt this thing up, give it a good squeeze.
Yeah, you want to press down firmly for like 10, 15 seconds.
You want to make it a little flat. And then the tough part is, just like when you're grilling, if you're looking, you ain't cooking. So you don't want to be going back and forth to this thing an awful lot. You feel that sizzle right there? Oh, yeah. Let it ride for a little bit. Once you hear that sizzle, it's time for you to pull that thing off. Look at that. Double up. Hey, cheers. You ready? These things just shattered. All right, let's try this thing.
Get up and walk up.
Let's try it. Oh my goodness. You got some cheese in your beard. At a massive scale. Yeah, you're better now. I wasn't gonna get it.
I wasn't expecting you to, I gotta be honest.
So seriously, I can't emphasize this enough. The onions and the bell pepper, it's a worthwhile investment. You don't need it to have a great sandwich, but it definitely takes it to the next level, am I right?
Yeah, and I think you could saute actually those onions, green peppers, and optional mushrooms beforehand, before putting them on the sandwich. And I think that'll elevate your game a little bit more.
My boys absolutely love it when we make these at home. It's an easy meal. It's a delicious meal. It's an out of the ordinary meal. I'm telling you, you can do this even on a flat top. Oh, yeah. You could do this in a pan on the stove.
Put a little weight on top. You're really just looking to smush it.
Yeah, just get a smaller pan, stack it right on top of it.
Put some bricks on it. Fresh out of the oven.
Yeah, for those of you who have a bunch of bricks just laying around the house that your wife is cool with you cooking with, you could definitely do the brick thing. But hey, if you're wanting to sleep indoors that night, I'd recommend just using another pot or a pan or something like that. Hey, every single week when we get together with you, our goal is to try and help you become uncommon, because we all know that ordinary isn't working. We want to get you around that kitchen table making memories with your family so that way you can leave a legacy of faith. We've been talking about the importance of having a godly man in the home, because you bring the Holy Spirit into that place and the Holy Spirit produces fruit. And this week what I want to talk to you about is one of the fruits that the Holy Spirit brings, as we're told in Galatians chapter 5, is he brings peace. Now, I'm not talking about a peacekeeper. I'm talking about a peacemaker. Not somebody who just tries to keep everybody happy, but a person who brings about the right resolution at the right time for the right reason. And you're going to have to find peace in a couple ways. One, you have to find peace by focusing on the upper story and realizing that you have a God that is over all of your circumstances. He's bigger than all of your circumstances. Sometimes as different things come at us, we can lose our peace. We can lose our assurance because we start realizing that we've got a lot coming at us, but you have more going for you than you have going against you. This is what it says in Psalm 23. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. That even in the midst of your circumstances, you can have peace because God is with you. And when you go into your home and you're navigating life with your kids, you're navigating life with extended family, you're navigating life with friends, you're trying to manage things inside of your marriage, you need to bring peace. You need to be the presence that gives everybody in your family the assurance that they're going to be okay because you're with them and you bring God with them. We love you all. Stay uncommon. Can't wait to see you next time. Peace out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this past episode of the Uncommon Bistro. We've got a couple things that we believe will be beneficial to you as you continue your journey of being uncommon. One of them is chooseuncommon.com. There you can find the store, our registration for upcoming events. You can see the blog, and you can also see who we're booking for our conference. I want to remind you guys, our conference is coming up June 19th and 20th of 2020. We believe it's going to be the biggest and best one we've ever had. And it is never too early to register. So I want you to register and every person you have influence over so we can take this ground together. Every single one of us need to take a step of faith with Christ, and this conference is going to help all of us do that collectively. Second thing I want to make you guys aware of that would be a huge help to us is if you'd hit that subscribe button and if you'd click that bell so that way you get the notification when our next video is coming out, because we want these to continue to be a blessing to your life and we don't want you to miss them. We love you all. Believe in the best. Have a great one.